So I decided to put everything that I ate today into Cronometer just to see the macro and micronutrient breakdown of what I ate today. So you can see the macronutrient ratio is 65 to 16 to 19, which is pretty typical of a whole foods plant-based diet. If you go down here, you can see my omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, which is about 3 to 1, which is really good. And then all the protein levels are way above 100%, so definitely not protein deficient. Here, all the vitamins are pretty high. The vitamin B12, I got a bit from the pasta and the sea vegetables, but I also take a vitamin B12 supplement. Vitamin D, you get that from the sun. I also take a supplement in the wintertime. And all the minerals are really high. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.